Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Citrea have added more tasks to their public testnet. So that means if you have already started, there are fresh opportunities to complete and earn more rewards. And if you haven't joined yet, don't worry, try and look out for fresh codes on Discord and follow the previous guide I dropped on the step-by-step so you can catch up and not miss out. This is still early and being active now could really pay off later. So let's jump right in and check out what is new. So the first thing you need to do is this. As usual, log into your account, which is babs.c3.xyz. Once you are here, then click on unfreeze apps for mainnet. If you are just new to this task, check out my previous video on the step-by-step way on how to do the task. So, but this is for old users. So once you come here, this was the first task we did. You can see 3/3. The second task, 3/3 on Nectra. Then this third one is Satsuma. And the fourth one is Garden. So this is actually the new ones, but I've actually completed the task. Signals, MintPark, and Atomiq. So what you need to do here is once you click on the signals, mine is marked because I've actually completed my task. So all you need to do here is to click on signals. You can see the task. They said the first task you need to do is to open a position. So when you click on, you remember as usual, you will see a complete task icon here. Once you click on it, you predict the Bitcoin closing price by creating a new position. So once you create that, then once you do that, it will automatically mark that you've done the task. Then you will come to the second one. You click on complete task, then it will take you to the dashboard where you need to sell that position you actually opened. Once you sell the position you actually opened, this task will automatically mark for you. Then you move over to the third task. So then the task said, open a new position and wait until it resolves. So let's assume you created a new position here where they said open a position. Then the second one, they said exit position, that is exit early. So that means you should close the position. Then this place is now saying you should open a new position and wait until it resolves. Then you claim your reward. So once you claim the reward, this task will mark for you. So all you need to do here now, you already exited, you already closed the position in the second one. Now you need to open a new position on this third one. Then when you open it, once you open it, then you can just leave, then come back later and know if what you predicted actually worked. Up, if you predict up or down, whether you predict for a rise in price or a drop in price, whatever one that works within once the trade you placed resolves, then you come back, then you will see a claim button. If you actually won, then you claim. I can't actually show you all that here because I've already done the task. So that is it by this particular signals task. So let's go back to the BAPS. Then the next one we need to do is this MintPark. We'll click on it. Then what we're asked to do here is the first one is to mint a Bapa cap NFT on MintPark. So mint your NFT. Once you click on it, you will see mint. Then you click on mint. You can mint. They say you can mint up to 5. So I actually minted 5. So you can proceed to mint 5. Then the next thing, once you finish that one, then it will mark for you. Then the second one you need to do is to list your newly minted NFT for sale on that MintPark and with the price of 0.0001 CBTC. So that NFT that you minted on the first task, they said you should list it here. So you will see the option of list. Then you click on list, then you proceed to do the task. Then after that, once you list it, make sure you list it at this price um that they mentioned here. After that, move to the third task, which is purchase a Bapa Cap NFT. So when you purchase the NFT, you click on, when you click on the task, you will see where they will tell you to purchase the NFT listing from the NFT people actually listed in the market. So you just purchase it. Once you purchase it with that your CBTC, then the task will mark for you. Then that is all for this task. Then you move back to your task, to your dashboard. Then the last one is this Atomiq. You click on it. Once it opens, all you need to do here is to swap CBTC from Bitcoin L1 to Citrea, that is CBTC. So here you'll be needing your normal wallet, which is your MetaMask or whatever EVM wallet you're using, fine, which you're already connected to this place. And you'll also be needing a Unisat wallet, that is a Bitcoin wallet. Do you get? If you don't have one before now, you need to create one. So, but once you click on this task, the first task, you will see the wallets that are required for you. You connect your MetaMask and also um make sure you connect your Unisat wallet. If by after watching this video and you don't still understand, you can actually request for me to do the videos, like guide you. I can use another account to guide you in the way you can understand by showing you the step-by-step actions you need to take. So once you, and from here you need to claim some faucets. So when you copy your BTC wallet, you claim your CBTC, the testnet token you need to do this task with. So once you've claimed the testnet token, in fact, once you click on this task, you will see all you need to do. You're not seeing it here because I've actually completed the task. So once you do this first task and you are done with it, you move to the second one, then swap BTC to Bitcoin L1 to Citrea USDC with a gas drop. You get? So then the next one is swap CBTC from C3 to Bitcoin on Bitcoin L1. So the task is actually very simple. By the time you click on it, you will be able to know what to do. So that is it. I'm so sorry I couldn't um take the video while I was doing my own to be able to guide you. I was actually very busy then I decided to do my own and focus on what I was doing. But if after watching this video and you don't still understand, please let me know in the comment section. I will make out time immediately to show you the step by step by using another account. So that is it, guys. If this video actually helped you, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.